entire education in my native, that is Raichur. So I've completed my 10th standard in St. Mary's with an aggregate of 82%. And I've completed my PU in St. Mary's Women College with an aggregate of 81%. And I've completed my engineering in SLN College of Engineering with an aggregate of 7.29 percentage. So I've joined this course in the month of June as I was searching a job in my native itself. So for 6 months I couldn't get any job because of this pandemic. So I got to know this name of this institute from one of my friend who got placed in one of the good companies. So she suggested me to join this course. So I joined this course in the month of June and I'm completing this course in the month of December. And I've placed in a very good company. I undergone this training under Pradeep sir for manual testing, Shankar sir under Java, and Selenium under Santosh sir, and SQL under Murli sir. It was a great journey, and I would love to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for making this possible, which was my dream to have a job in my life. And I would have also thank all my friends who have been very supportive to me. And yes, especially thanks for Pradeep sir and Shankar sir, because they were both very supportive, and they were very good trainers, and they were even friendly. So it was a great journey. This entire 6 months was a very good experience coming here, and I would thank each and everyone who have been involved in this, and thank you so much.
I know gold is not enough.